Dr. Yannick Van Doorne. He's an engineer in agriculture and biotechnology and has more than 15 years of experience and know how about the applications of the electroculture and the influence of the electromagnetism on plant growth and development, water and soil fertility. So I Googled, because I went through all these research papers. I found this gentleman and I request through the email to respond me. Today, he is going to give very important lecture and practically how you can build up this concept in Sri Lanka. So I'm not going to waste your time. In meantime, I would like to mention this session is streaming on YouTube as well. So if anyone who wants to participate, you can inform them and send them this link as well. So Dr. Yannick, I would like to hand over to you.
So thank you, Harsha. Do you hear me? Everything okay?
Yes.
So thank you to all for listening. Thank you to invite me to do this presentation, and I hope it will be very interesting for all of us to discover already new techniques that maybe you don't know about electroculture. So it's a whole new world of applications for agriculture that can be very interesting in your country and in every country in reality. What is electroculture? I will coming to that is mainly the use of electricity and magnetism to help plant growth and soil fertility. So I will show you. So you see my two internet sites. I have many internet sites, but those are my main two. It's in French, but you can with Google Translate easily learn a lot and read a lot. Maybe in future there will be one in your language. Sorry. So I'm Yannick Van Doorne from 1976. I'm engineer in agriculture and biotechnology. I have my own company, Symphony on the SRL, and I became with time, with the years, with my passion for the subject, I became like a world expert on electroculture applications, about everything around the influence of magnetism and electricity on plant growth. And so I developed a whole set of applications that are really very interesting in agriculture that can replace all chemical fertilizers and pesticides. I'm also working on a book that will be like a manual. It's almost ready. In a few months, it will come out about a whole set of techniques of electroculture. So what is electroculture? You see, on planet Earth, we live in a huge magnetic field, and all plants need that magnetic field, even the animals, even we. If we don't live in that magnetic field, then we become sick and we deteriorate very quickly. The whole evolution on Earth grew up in that magnetic field, and this is very important for health and growing. We will see that. But it's not only a magnetic field, we have also an electrical field between the sky and the soil. We have a huge electrical field of around 100 to 300,000 volts. This corresponds with around 100 volts for each meter high. You see, it's really a huge electrical field where we live in, and a magnetic field. And And those electrical and magnetic field changes over the places on Earth. And those fields are also very important to carry like waves, like atmospheric radio waves that are naturally produced by thunder, storms, and sun activity, sunspot activity, things like that. And those are all very important for the healthy growing of plants. And so we will see how we can use to improve plant growth and how we can use that in agriculture, how we can use the beneficial effects of it. And Harsha talked already a little bit about it with certain monuments we find back. There's somebody writing on it. There are monuments that use in reality those magnetic and electrical fields and amplify it locally, where the plants grow a lot better around. But not many people know about that, but it's just about knowledge, wisdom. So there is somebody playing with I don't know how it happened. What's happening here? Yeah, sorry. So scientific research, there is a lot of scientific research in the world about, like for example, here we see an article, an extract, magnetic effects on plant growth. So magnetic field effects on plant growth, development, and evolution. So you have like more than 900 scientific articles that you can find in science about the magnetic effects on plant growth. And you have also so many articles about the electrical field effects on plant growth and seed germination. So it's something that is known in science, but for the moment, it is not really used in agriculture because people don't know it, but we just have to use it and you will see huge results. So the knowledge is also known since centuries ago. There are already books talking about that, like 2-3 centuries ago. I have many books about. I found many books in libraries all over the world about that. There are a lot in France, Russia, probably in India too, for sure, in China too, everywhere in the world, where there are big libraries and big agriculture knowledge, we can find those information. So for example, you have that book, it's a recent book, The Magnetic Pulse of Life, and there you will find more than 200 pages of science references about the geomagnetic effects on terrestrial life. So just to show you how many science articles there is about this subject, and almost it's only a few people know about that.